Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video, I'll show you how to hide distracting items showing up in any websites without using third-party app in iPhone or iPad. So without further delay, let's begin. So here we're gonna use our inbuilt application, that is our Safari web browser. So just open the Safari web browser. And now say I've opened one website just to give you an example. So you can see here the website. So now say I want to get rid of this item. So you can see here right now. So for this, what I need to do is just click on this icon. And now you will see here one option, hide distracting items. So just click on it. Now select the item which you want to hide. So I want to hide this item. So just click on it. So now you will see here hide option. So just click on this hide option. So similarly, you can do the same thing with the other items which you want to hide. Now just click on this done. Now you can see here the distracting items has been removed or hidden. Now let us refresh this website and let's check if this distracting items which we have removed shows up again or not. So let me click on this refresh website. So now you can see here the distracting items is not showing up again. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily hide distracting items showing up in any websites without using third-party app in iPhone or iPad very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.